friends, welcome back to my channel. Robin here. In this video, I'll be making one of my favorite dishes, Chongqing spicy chicken. As always, the ingredients and measurements are listed down below in the description box. First, clean the chicken thigh, cut it into 1-inch small cubes, and marinate it for 15 minutes. Using an egg yolk can add color to the chicken. Add some cornstarch to cover the chicken. This will give the chicken a thin layer of crispiness. Finally, add some oil to prevent the chicken from sticking together. Chop some green onions, garlic, and ginger. Prepare the Sichuan peppercorns and dried chilies. The chicken needs to be deep fried first. Heat up the oil to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Deep fry the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes using medium heat, while quickly separating the chicken cubes so they won't stick together. The chicken needs to be deep fried at least twice. The first time will fully cook the chicken and make it tender. Take out the chicken. Let the oil temperature go up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius. Deep fry the chicken a second time for 45 seconds. This will give the chicken a thin layer of crispy surface. Remove the chicken and leave a little bit oil in the pan. Stir fry the green onions, garlic, and ginger for 1 minute to release their fragrance. Add the dried chilies and Sichuan peppercorns. Stir fry for 2 minutes using medium heat. Then add the cooked chicken. Stir fry for another 3 minutes so that the chicken will absorb the spicy and numbing flavors. Add a pinch of salt and sugar and some sesame seeds. Mix well. Finally, add some chopped green onions to garnish. Mix everything well. And voila! We're done! The chicken should be juicy and tender, with a very thin layer of crispy surface. All the spices are very fragrant, and it's quite addictive to eat. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!